integrated no, into our system already. We're running our defenses already. So we're into the home stretch of our preparation. So we've seen the scouting report. So we're going towards devising our schemes defensively. So, medyo malalim na yung pinapractice natin concerning some game plans already. So we're anticipating certain things and we're trying to find solutions in practice. So far, everything seems to be okay. Of course, the only concern is yung kay Matthew Wright. I don't think he's going to be able to play tomorrow, and I'm not sure that he can play on Sunday. So this is the crucial part of our preparation. It's just too bad na hindi siya nakakasali. Pero we're still hopeful. Maybe right after that we can still consider his situation. Problema kasi di siya maglalaro ng Friday, di siya maglalaro ng Sunday. Kailangan na namin magdesisyon ng latest Monday right after the game. So that's my concern for him at least. So yun lang. We'll see tomorrow kung anong kilos natin, kung from Spain to back to the Philippines, if we had gotten better or we had stagnated, we need to make some more adjustments. Kita natin bukas. Then may Saturday pa tayo, so we can still make adjustments for the Sunday game.
Coach, Spain 3-1 years practice games for this West. How important is it for you guys to keep winning practice games in terms of confidence going into the World Cup?
You need to practice winning. Kailangan mo rin practicein yung attitude mo towards playing any game. That's part of the mental toughness aspect, is to consider every game important, consider every possession, every play important, because that's how it's going to be when we play in China. You're not just practicing your execution, you have to practice your mindset. So part of the practice tomorrow is getting into the right mindset and being mentally tough.
Coach, may expectations there from their opponents too?
Wala namang any special expectations. We know generally they play hard. We know generally they're rugged. They like to run up and down the court. We know they can shoot the outside shot and they have the height or the size to attack us at the post. So kaya natin sila kinuha dahil parang ganun yung itsura ng mga kalaban natin. So that is my general expectation. I understand some of them or a few of them are young players. So we expect a lot of energy from those players. It's also good for our conditioning because we have to keep up with them running up and down. So yun ang gusto natin.
Coach, si Paul pala hindi nag-practice bago sa linggo siya for...
Sino? Si Nag-practice siya kanina, kaya lang Meron siyang naramdaman pain sa tuhod niya. I don't think it's serious, but precautionary na hindi na siya nagtuloy dun sa mga ginawa natin na mga drills pa or ano, mga ginawa natin sa practice. Precautionary lang.
Pero maglalaro.
Yeah.